course. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Yeah? What are you going to tell me? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Are you going to tell me? Huh? Are you going to tell me? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, what? What? Yeah? Really? You think so? Does that sound good? Yeah? Yeah? Hi, buddy. Look at that big boy. You're a big boy. You're biggest boy, biggest boy. Are you biggest boy? Are you biggest boy? Are you the biggest boy? Oh, got some spit out. That's what you were doing. Is that what you were doing? Huh? Is that what you were doing? Is that why you couldn't talk? Because you had spit up? Yeah? Okay, let's get dressed. Bye, baby Cameron. Love you. Say bye-bye.